Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, bus. I go to school by bus. Second line, sky. The color of sky is blue. Third line, family. There are 4 members in my family. Fourth line, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Fifth line, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. Sixth line, market. I go to market with my brother. Seventh line, copy. This is my copy. Eighth line, birds. Birds fly in the sky. Ninth line, mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. Tenth, rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. 11th line, brother. My brother's name is Anil. Twelfth line, computer. I study on the computer every day. Thirteenth line, football. I love watching and playing football. 14 line fan. In summer, we always miss the fan. 15 line bus. I go to school by bus.